Good day, sir. I am Silmarnik Ivan from BS73 Beetlejuice. Today I will discuss the ICDIS MSC 530106 Revolution 1. New required performance standards. Key updates in MSC 530106 Revolution 1 2024. Mandatory ICDIS type approval to update IEC 6174 AD4 standards for all new installations from 2024. Enhanced route planning and monitoring functions with automatic depth contour verifications. Improve alarm management mandatory look ahead and cross-track evaluations alerts with configurable thresholds. And there are compliance requirements. All ECDITS units must display up-to-date ANCs from an approved service provider. Mandatory backup arrangement independent second ECDIS or updated paper charts. Officers must hold an approved ECDIS type specific training certificate per STCW requirements. Regular software updates and annual performance verifications by a certified technicians. Key terminologies of ECDIS. ECDIS, or what we call the Electronic Chart Display and Information System, a navigation information system that displays selected informations from a system electronic navigational chart, or the SANC. With time-related ship position from positioning system, it may display additional navigation-related information and is accepted as equivalent to an up-to-date paper charts. ANC or Electronic Navigational Charts, the official vector charts database standardized as to contain structure and format issued by on behalf of authorized hydrographic officers. The ANC contains all charts informations necessary for safe navigation and may contain supplementary terminologies 3.3 and 3.4. RCD or the raster chart display system is a navigation system that displays raster charts image digital reproductions of paper nautical charts on an electronic display. An RCDs use raster navigational charts and may only be used as backup to ANC-based ECDIS when ANC are not available for a given area. RCDs does not meet the full performance standards required of ECDIS, and the SANC or System Electronic Navigational Charts, the database resulting from the transformations of the ANC by ECDIS for appropriate use, updates to the ANC mariners. It is the database that is actually assessed by ECDIS for the display generations and other navigational functions that the CANC is the equivalent of an up-to-date paper chart. Terminology, ECDIS, and navigational data. Electronic chart display and information system or ECDIS, a navigation information system that with adequate backup arrangement can be accepted as complying with the up-to-date chart required by SOLAS regulations V-9 and V-27. Display selected information from SANC with positional informations from navigation sensors to assess the mariner in route planning, and route monitoring. Navigational data terminology sections 3.1 to 3.4 includes accuracy, the degree of conformance of an estimated or measured values to its true value, integrity, a measure of trust and correctness of information, route monitoring, continuous tracking of vessels positions, relative plan route, sensor data, input from positioning system. Examples: GNSS radar used by ECDIS to determine the display vessel position in real time. Key ECDIS terminologies. Understanding the 6 core terminologies is fundamental to ECDIS compliance under MSC 530106 Revolution 1 of 2024. ECDIS definitions. Navigational system meeting IMO standards for electronic charts display. Electronic Navigational Charts or ANC, official vector charts issued by Hydrographic Authority. The RCDs raster charts display system using scan paper charts images, and SANC system ANC, the process chart database used by ECDIS for display. Electronic chart display and information system integrated navigations informations platform. Navigational data terminology standardized definitions for routes, waypoints, and voyage data. Master of these terms ensures full compliance, and safe electronic navigation at sea. So that's all my assessment complete of ECDIS Performance Standards MEC 530106 Revolution 1 of 2024.